Hey guys, happy Tuesday. All right, back for some more math with me, Miss Stevenson. All right, today we're going to be talking about remainders. So remainders are literally exactly what they sound, that they're just some leftover numbers when we're dividing. I'm going to show you an easy way to start off with dividing today and finding remainders. And of course, as we move along in the chapter, you know it's going to get a little bit more difficult. But we're going to start small and then work our way up. Okay? All right, so 28 divided by 3. If you know your facts pretty well, you know that 3 times nothing is going to give you 28 evenly. So when we are dividing, I'm going to show you a quick way that you can do it with pictures. So we've got 28 divided by 3, which means we've got 28, let's just say pencils. 28 pencils divided amongst 3 students. Okay, so we've got 28 pencils that we're going to try to share with 3 students. So we need to figure out how many each student's going to get and how many are going to be left over. So whenever you're looking at these division problems, one of these numbers tells you the amount of groups and one tells you the amount of the item. So we've got 3 groups in this instance, or 3 students. So I'm going to draw 3 circles. And these are going to represent my students. 1, 2, and 3. And then I've got 28 pencils that we are trying to divide out between the 3 of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 pencil in each student's circle until I run out. So let's see what that looks like. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 20, I've only got 1 left. If I put 1 in here, are all 3 circles going to be even? No, and that's the goal. We want the same amount in each circle. So if I can't put that 1 extra pencil in one of these groups, where do you think I need to put it? Yeah, I'm just going to draw it right over here. This 1 pencil is kind of left out here by itself as the remainder. Okay, so now we have to look at how to write the quotient or the answer to this problem when we've got a remainder included, because we have to make sure we include the remainder or else we don't really know how much we had. So what I'm going to do to find my quotient is I'm going to count how many pencils I put into each circle. So in each circle, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to double check and make sure all of them have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 is going to be my quotient because there are 9 pencils in each of these circles. How I write the remainder is I'm going to put a tiny little r right there. And I'm going to put the amount that I had left over. So how many pencils did I have left over? Yep, just the 1. So our answer is going to be 9 remainder of 1. And that's it. All right, let's look at 1 more though. 1 more. We've got 39 divided by 5. And again, if you know your facts pretty well, you know that 5 times nothing is going to give you 39. Because whenever we multiply 5s, we know that it's going to either end with a 5 or a 0, right? And this one ends with a 9. So we're definitely going to have a remainder here. So when we're looking at this problem, which number tells me how many circles I'm going to need to draw, how many groups I have? Yes, exactly. This 5 tells us how many groups we're going to have. So, sorry guys. we're going to have 5 circles to divide these 39 up between. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 5 circles. If you don't have a piece of paper in front of you, please make sure you go get one really fast while I'm drawing my circles so that you can come back and draw yours. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, move that up just a little bit. All right, so now that I have drawn my 5 circles, now I've got to divide up these 39 between the 5 groups. So I'm going to do the exact same thing as I did up here. I'm going to count and put 1 in each circle until we either run out or we end up not having enough to be even. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And I'm going to pause right there because I'm getting pretty close to 39. So I'm at 35 right now, and I'm going to count without the pencil in my hand, without a pen in my hand. And I'm going to count and see where that would leave me. 38 or 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay, so that would leave me with this last circle not having one of a circle in it, having a dot in it. So I'm not going to be able to evenly put the last remaining circles inside the bigger circles. So where do those need to go? Yes, exactly. I'm going to put them out here. So 36, 37, 38, 39. So there's my leftovers right there. Okay, so now I've got to go back and to find my quotient, I've got to count how many dots I've got in each circle. And remember, we did that evenly, so they should all have the same amount. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there should be 7 in all of these, but let's just double check really quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we do have 7 in each of these 5 circles. So I'm going to put 7 right there. And then I've got to make sure I include my remainder. Remember, because remainders are part of our answer. So I'm going to put the little r to represent remainder right there. And then how many did I have left over? Very good. I had 1, 2, 3, and 4. So my answer is 7 remainder of 4. All right, guys. That is it for today. As always, please make sure you are checking your folders for assignments. Make sure you are completing your assignments and hitting that submit button. If you don't hit submit, we don't know you did it. So make sure you're hitting submit, taking your time on your work, and I will see you guys back here next time.